on? Is this thing like is it? Oh, I think it is. So guys, bottle check. Some random comes up. Some crashes it like this when he's still ornaments. This easy way. See, if you blow, it'll come back together. Yeah, oh, this is and it's fixed. Easy trick, homemade. Spoon spring. Thank you, Spoon Spring, for making this bottle. So yeah, bye.